So hey guys, welcome back once again, and in today's video I'm just gonna talk about one of the interesting features that has been added on Controlnet model. Let me tell you, Controlnet model just got an update, and definitely you can see with open pose hand back once again there are some more new preprocessors added, that is clip vision, color and binary. So these are couple of the new preprocessors that are added, and let me tell you, in today's video I'm just gonna talk about adapters on Controlnet model. So Controlnet model just got an update with couple of the adapters and they are quite interesting. So basically these adapters are quite interesting that you can go and experiment, and definitely they are game changing as well. As you can see, style adapter going on, that you can go and carry couple of the style, just like this is the main sketch image and this is a style image, and you can see the result over here just like this. Similar to this, the style is carried. So this is basically a style adapter that you can definitely carry a style of any image into the result that you want. So that's how style adapter works, and there are some more adapters as well. Color adapter, I will explain you in detail about these two adapters in this video, but yes, there are some of the adapters also going on, just as open pose adapter, canny adapter, and you can use multiple adapters as well, just like this. And you can see these are the merge result, just like this, a human pose and a depth map, and yes, these are the merge image that you got. So guys, these are some of the cool features, adapter and preprocessor that are updated on Controlnet model. So now let's go on to step by step on how you can get these models. First of all, let me tell you guys, you need to first update your Controlnet model. So in order to work with this, you need to update Controlnet model. You can go and check for the update on extension tab. Click on check for the update. If you find behind over here, that means your Controlnet model is not updated. As you can see, it's latest going on over here. So if you find behind on this after checking for update, then just click on to apply and restart UI. It will automatically update your Controlnet section. This way you can do it automatically, and if you don't want to do it automatically, then I will also show a manual method. So if you want to do manual method, then come on to your Stable Diffusion directory. See, I'm already on Stable Diffusion directory. Go on extension menu, go on your Controlnet directory. Just on extension menu you can see Stable Diffusion, Extension and Controlnet. So now I'm already on Controlnet directory. Just click over here and just type cmd. After typing cmd, press enter and you will see this command window open, and now just type git pull over here, git pull, and just press enter. So it will manually update your Controlnet model as well. Mine's already up to date, so that's how you can do it manually. So after updating the Controlnet model, you can go and check on to model section. You will find YAML files already updated over here, because I automatically got the YAML files of the adapter. So in order to download this model, you can go on to this link. You can definitely see, I will paste the link in the description. You can check out. So if you want, you can download all of this adapter. Just click on to this arrow, and let me tell you where to download this. Just go on to Stable Diffusion directory, extension, and on extension directory you can go on to Controlnet model. You can see, just go on to Controlnet model, and on model section, just where you have already downloaded all of the models of Controlnet. I have already downloaded this model, so you can download all of this model if you want. So this is how you can download this model, and then you can go on to Stable Diffusion, and you can definitely see there are adapters going on over here. I have already downloaded all of this adapter. So guys, now let's start working with the first adapter, and that's color adapter. So we will select color adapter over here, and in preprocessor section go on to select color preprocessor. So that's how we will work. And the next thing that you need to do, add any image on this Controlnet section, just like this image, and just type any prompt over here. So first let's generate and let's see what result do we get, and then I will explain you how it is working. So guys, as you can see, this is the first result that we got with color adapter, and let me tell you how it is working. You can definitely see this color theme over here. So what color adapter did is that it created this map. Okay, so these are the pixel map or palette map, color palette map that it created using this image, and based on this image and based on this color palette, it used this color palette and tried to generate this image. You can definitely see all of the image like red, black theme going on over here. So that is the result that we got with this theme. You can use it on text to image as well and on image to image section as well. I will explain you on image to image later on, but first you can definitely see this is the result that I got. And what if I select different theme over here? You just need to select different theme or different images over here, just like this. We will go on to this color. Let's check on to purple and black color. So let's see what result do we get with this image as well. So guys, as you can see, this is the second result that we got, and definitely it made use of this image. You can see these are the color palette that it generated, purple and black, something like dark color palettes. based on this image, and this is the result that we got. So isn't it pretty interesting that you can go and generate if you want some color theme, if you already have some color palette theme just like this, upload it on this image, and with color adapter you can definitely get result like this. So that's how color adapter is working, and yes, it's quite interesting. One more result we will check, and this time we will go with different image on Controlnet model as well. So let's change this image as well. So guys, as you can see, that is the result that I got with this image, and you can definitely see, and this was the color palette it generated. Pretty interesting, and based on this, see blue going on, some this skin color, pink color or peach color, whatever it is, I don't know, but you can see this image. If you see, yes, blue color going on just like this blue color over here, and you can see this was the result that I got. Pretty interesting, pretty amazing feature as well. So that's how color palette, color adapter is working. So now guys, let's jump on to style adapter as well, and let's see how style adapter is working. So we will select style adapter model, and on preprocessor we will go with clip vision. So in order to work with style adapter, you need to select clip vision, and let's see how it is working. But first we will change this as well. Let's go on to different image here. Let's go with this image, so you will get a clear example of how it is working. But guys, before going on to style adapter, first we will try to generate without Controlnet model. I have already turned off my Controlnet model, you can see, and low VRAM as well. And yeah, you can see that was the prompt that I was using, original prompt, and without Controlnet model, this was the result that I got. Let me once again generate the image, and let's see what result do we get. So guys, as you can see, these are the result that I am getting with the original prompt and with Controlnet model turned off. So now what we will do, let me first of all turn on this Controlnet model, and in this, now let me tell you guys, guidance start is one of the most important factor in order to work with adapter style. So now guidance start will play an important role, and let me first of all explain you in simple term what is guidance start. So the lowest value you go with guidance start, the more it will start focusing on Controlnet model. Just like, let me tell you, the lowest value, the faster it will start focusing on Controlnet model, and the more you go, just like 5 or 9, the less it will start focusing on Controlnet model. Let me tell you guys, this is how it is working, guidance start. So basically it's starting on a 0.7 second and ending on 1 second. So that's how it is working. And the less you will go, the more impact it will provide on Controlnet model, and the more result you will get based on Controlnet model. So what if we go with 0? Let's start with 0, and let's see what result do we get now with 0. So guys, as you can see, that is the result that I got with 0 guidance start, and yes, definitely amazing result as well. So this is the result that I got. You can definitely see 0 guidance start. And what if I start increasing? Let's go on to 0.3. Let's go on to 0.3, and let's see what result do we get now. So guys, at 0.3 guidance start, you can definitely see that is the result that I got. And yes, it started generating somewhat like original prompt as well, just like a red head, and you can definitely see it was like red head, and that is the result that I got. So what if I start again increasing? Let's go with 0.6 directly, and let's see what result do we get with 0.6. On 0.6, definitely you can see it has a less impact. So it started generating like original image just like this prompt, and yes, it has less impact of this theme like this style, and that is the result that I got with 0.6 value. So that's why I said that the more you go on increasing the guidance start, the less it will focus on this image on Controlnet model, and the more it will try to generate this result. So that's how guidance start is working, and it will impact more on your adapter style as well. So if you are working with adapter style, then yes, guidance start will, like, if you go on messing with guidance start, then you can go on generating amazing result as well. So now let's go on to increasing maximum as well. We will go with directly 0.9, and now let's see what result do we get. So now guys, as you can see, that is the result that I got with 0.9 value, and yes, definitely Controlnet model has 0 impact on this image, just like the earlier image that we got after we disabled the Controlnet model. And yes, definitely you can see it has 0 impact of this style on this image. So what if we change this image, and we will start messing on with guidance start as well. Oh, this time we will go with something like skull. Let's go with skull, and let's see what result do we get now. And we will start messing on with guidance start as well, because we know the less we will go. Let's go on to 0.2. The more impact of Controlnet model it will give on original image. So let's see what result do we get on 0.2 and with this image. So guys, as you can see, that is the result that I got with this image and the original prompt. So basically it's carrying this style and merging with this prompt, and this is the result that we got with 0.2 guidance start. So yes, once again I will say guidance start will play important factor on adapter style as well. It's pretty interesting tool as well, pretty interesting update as well. So adapter will change your result generation. You can generate any image with any style do you want. If you have any style of image, then you can go on multiple styles as well, and you just need to upload the style image on Controlnet model. And yes, definitely you can generate many images with like different prompt as well. Similar to that, I was working on image to image section as well. You can definitely see, I will show you. This was the prompt that I was using, octane render of a lion, high details, ultra realistic, and that's the only thing that I was using on prompt. And on Controlnet model, you can definitely see clip vision preprocessor, style adapter going on over here, you can definitely see, and guidance start 0.15. so that's what I was using, and you can see this was the image that I was using on Controlnet model, and this was the image that I was using on image to image section. What if I go with like plain black image? Let's go with plain black image and let's see what result do we get now. So guys, as you can see, that is the result that I got, black image over here, black image on image to image section, and yes, pretty interesting result as well. And let's change this image once again. Let's go with white background. Okay, and let's see what result do we get with white background as well. So guys, with white background, definitely you can see that is the result that I got with this style of image. And yes, pretty amazing result as well. So that's how it is working, that if you want to generate some different styles, if you want to copy style, then you can go on experimenting with this. Just like if I change on this image as well, let's go with like this image on image to image section this time, and on Controlnet model definitely the same theme and 0.15 guidance start. So let's go with this theme and let's see now what result do we get. So guys, yes, definitely you can see that is the result that I got, pretty amazing result. I'm definitely enjoying this adapter settings on like Controlnet model. So that's how you can go and mess around with Controlnet model style adapter, and you can go on generating different images as well. Isn't it very interesting update? And yes, I'm just loving this. Controlnet model is just getting better and better day by day, and you can go and play around with this. So that's how two of the adapters are working, style adapter and color adapter that I explained. There are so many adapter also going on. And so that's it for today guys. I hope so you guys loved it. I hope so guys you understand this video in detail. It was in detail, but yes, it's quite interesting that you need to go and experiment with. So that's it for today guys. I will be back with more and more videos tomorrow. Till then, have a good day. Bye guys, love you all guys. Bye guys.